Alright, guys, today we are going to be designing. Let's just create a simple face text effect. Just a simple face text effect using our Pixellab and also working with Snapseed. Alright, first let's head straight to our Pixellab. Alright, we're in our Pixellab. So the first step we're going to do, we are going to add our text. Going to add our text. So after adding our text, right, down. Let's change the font. So just use any font for this tutorial sake. So let's increase the size a little bit. Rotate it. So you start copying. For you to copy, just click on the copy icon over there. So you start copying. Start copying. Just start copying. Just take your time and follow this tutorial carefully. Just copy. It's just a rough sketch. So just keep copying and place them carefully. You mustn't do your own exactly the way I did mine. You can do yours other ways. You can just do yours many other ways. Okay, I'll have to forward this video. I don't want it to be too long. So I guess this is enough. This is okay. So the next step, we are going to merge all this together. So for us to do that, just click on that icon. After clicking on it, click on the mesh tool and you mark all what you want to merge. Just mark all of them. And you merge them with the mesh button. That icon, just merge them. Alright, perfect. After merging them, just increase the size to fit in the screen. Alright, perfect. Then we save this. Just save it. So we'll head straight to our Snapseed now. Alright, when after heading to your Snapseed, just first step, click on the open button. To your gallery. just first of all click on the image. So this is the image we are going to be using for this tutorial. After clicking on the image, go to your tools, then you click on tune image. As you can see, so I have to edit this image to a black and white image. Click on that icon, go to your saturation, reduce it to -100. Your current contrast, increase it a little bit. Alright, good. Go to your tools again, go to your details. Okay, I'm sure you guys I did that. Go to your tools, go to your details. Just give it a little structure. Increase the sharpness a little bit. I think it's perfect. Alright, good. So the next step, I think this will be the final step. Just after clicking on your tools, click on this double exposure. Click on double exposure. As you can see, sorry about that. Click on this icon over here to add images. So you just go to your gallery, to your Pixellab. As you can see, the next step we're going to do, we need to click on this icon. After clicking, click on darken, or you can click on subtract, any one of your choice, or subtract, but I prefer darken. So you can adjust it to your preferred one. Alright. Alright, I think this is okay. Just make sure your own should be more perfect. I think we are done with the tutorial.